Yep, we got another treat here. A ZR1 just pulled in. Hi, how are you?
Hey.
Nice ZR1, man.
It's fun.
Yeah, it's fun. I got my vet too. I'm Jeff, by the way.
Hey, Paul.
Paul, nice to meet you, Paul.
Nice to meet you.
Hey. Yeah, you got the best, man. This is nice. Let me take a look at it. Show me those nice engines. See that? The supercharger. LS9. Oh no, but I have a vet too. I just have a YouTube channel. This is nice. What a treat. Look at this guy. LS9 supercharged. What a nice ZR1 here. Super clean. Do you see that? The carbon rotors. Just amazing, amazing car. This is the ZR1. Yep.